Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple. And today I would be talking about pivot trading website. I have already made a few videos on this particular website, and Mr. Saurabh Gandhi, the owner of this website, is a registered partner with couple of brokers too. However, today I would like to tell you about the tools if which you can use it for free. Usually you have to refer someone if you want to use the tools for free. However, if you are new and if you have not opened an account with Zerodha, Upstocks or Fires, you can inbox me. I'm already a partner with the website owner, Mr. Saurabh Gandhi, on this and affiliate partner with them. So if you would like to use the tools for free, you can inbox me with your details, and I can actually upload it in the website with my referral ID, because that's how the referral program works. You need to refer someone so that you can use the tools for free. So once the tools, as I told you, I've been making consistent videos of the tools available, and this reduces a lot of your manual work. Many of you might think that why do we need to use these tools. The tools, especially some of those tools, are actually available for free. However, some of the interesting tools, the plugins which you want to use it, you need to be a partner with them, or you need to be a registered member with this particular website, and only then you can use the tools for free. And it the trading actually becomes very easy. It's a one click process where you can actually use the tools of this website and make trade based on that. I'll be happy to support you for any kind of queries or questions, and also how to use these tools, even though there are a lot of videos available. But I have been using some of these tools very consistently, and it reduces a lot of manual work, and that's more important in trading. If you are having a full-time job, then you should know when exactly you should reduce your workload in trading. Because if you just because you are trading in front of, or if you are in front of the computer the whole day, doesn't mean that you will be making more money than others. So a smart trader is someone who actually works only some time, or 15-20 minutes in a day, and will be making much more money than a full-time trader who is actually doing all the research the whole day, sitting in front of the computer based on the news, etc. A smart trader is someone who actually trades only some time in a day, like 10-15 or half an hour, and still make money. Ultimately, you need to understand one thing from stock markets is, you have to the your ultimate aim is to make money and to create wealth. And that's, many people forget it, and in their passion of trading, they try to do so many different things, and then their main aim gets diluted. They lose money, they make money, then they lose money, and then it becomes much more than a passion. It becomes an obsession, and the obsession of just trading. And that's where people get wrong. You can have an obsession of trading, but your ultimate aim is to make money from stock markets. And if you cannot achieve that, no matter how big your passion is, it doesn't matter, because your aim is to make money, create wealth, support your family, and this can be a full-time profession too for many of you who are interested in it. Again, for people who want to make this profession, make this industry as a full-time profession, or who want to make this industry as a part-time profession, the ultimate aim is to make money and create wealth. And if you cannot achieve that, then you should stop doing your trading, or you have to find better ways of doing trading. So it doesn't matter if you are working 8 hours in a day, or 30 minutes in a day. Your ultimate aim still is to make money. Some people, after being after learning so much, um, they can just sit for 30 minutes and make money for the day, or tomorrow, or just for one day, and then they can keep on doing their job, research, or do whatever. So some people who keep on looking the interest rates and the charts and other things, they are much more passionate about it. But again, my personal opinion on this is to your ultimate aim is to make money, and if you are not being able to do that, then it's you are actually wasting your time, because time is short. We all need time for doing a lot of things, and whether it is travel, family, relationships, and how you manage them is very important. So you can't sit the whole day and research the whole day if your passion is something else, or if your priorities in life is something else. So that's also a little bit philosophical about this, but whatever I said, it means to each and every person, whether someone is an advanced trader or a entry level trader. You need to keep this in mind. So as I told you, so if you want to use these tools, some of these tools are wonderful. I'm creating more and more videos about some of these tools already. Swing trading, MCX tools, open high low, breakout scanner, etc. So if you want to use all these tools for free, you can actually inbox me on my Facebook page. You can see in the description below, and I'll be happy to refer you to any of these trading platforms, Zerodha, Upstocks, and Fires. And all these are discount brokers, so you don't have to worry about much brokerages, and you can use these tools in such a way that you will make much more money than a traditional brokerage firm, where brokerages will take most of your profits. So hope you enjoyed this informative video, and please do inbox me if you need if you have any questions or suggestions or clarifications, and I'll be happy to take them for you. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.